All right, we're back in the garage. We're working on the F-150. This is my project truck. I mentioned this before, but the truck has a little hint of smoke in it. I think the previous owner had smoked in this truck, so it's got a hint of that. I want to get rid of that because when it's hot and the windows are up, you can really smell it. So I'm going to get I have my carpet shampooer. I'm going to use that to go through the carpets and the seats, and then part of the headliner I'm going to use to really try to clean the fibers out and try to get it clean, try to hopefully get it smelling better. So let's get started on this. All right, here's some of the supplies I'm going to use. I'm using this carpet cleaner. This is a Rug Doctor stuff. And then I'm mixing a little bit of this. This is a concentrated stuff, but it's Odoban. This is going to help remove odors. So they advertise that you can use this in carpet cleaning to get odors out of carpets, fabrics, upholstery, things like that. That's why I'm using that. And then I'm using this on the end of my brush. My carpet cleaner is not working it's not really sucking that well. So I'm going to use this on the end of my drill to really agitate the mixture into the carpet and the upholstery. And then I have this spray bottle where I'm mixing, mostly with water, a little bit of each in the bottle here. And I'm going to spray onto the seats, the carpet. I'll spray that first. And then I'm using my shop vac, wet dry shop vac, to extract it out of the carpet. So that's kind of everything I'm using here. So it's kind of a manual process, but this is like a stiff plastic bristle brush. This is really going to agitate the carpet and the upholstery. I think this is going to work pretty good. So we're going to get started and see how it works. Okay, just finishing up here. Got all the seats, all the carpet scrubbed, shampooed, and all the water extracted as best I could. I'm just gonna leave all the windows down, doors open, just let this kind of air out. I'm gonna see how it looks in the morning. I'm probably gonna pull it out in the morning just to let it get some fresh air, dry a little bit more. And we'll see how it turns out. Already the seats are looking good. The water that was extracted from the seats and the carpet really was dirty. So hopefully it definitely needed it as far as the dirt was concerned. I'm hoping it helps with the smell, but we'll see how it goes. All right, the truck's been sitting out all morning. It's dried up. Seats are dry, floor's dry. Seats look better. They're not perfect. There's still some spots on them, but it looks looks pretty good. I think the last step is I just need to clean the window. When I was spraying these seats, I got stuff all over the window, so I need to clean the windows, but looking pretty good. This front seat had the most, obviously has the most wear on it. And the armrest, see there's still a little spot there. See, it's a little darker right here. Some of the spots came out, so hopefully it helps not only with this, the odor, but also, you know, keeping it clean. It's a little cleaner now. Alrighty, well, stay tuned for more updates on this truck. We're going to start working on some mechanical stuff, suspension, go through the cooling system, just do some maintenance. So thanks for watching. Be sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.